Ask me anything. Clients bring me in because I have a dual value proposition. I help them get their work done, but I also transfer skills and teach their people how to do it without me next time around. So let's say last year, I spent the majority of my time working with a large client doing a digital marketing transformation. I was working with the person who is in charge of the whole initiative. Under that person, there were 16 different teams. Each team had a number of clients, and some of those teams were external consultants. So, yeah, a lot of people. And actually, most of my work was not even working that much with these people. Of course, I have to lead the workshop or whatnot. It was actually communicating with the higher ups, with the steering committee and the executives on what's going on. So think of me as a special forces unit that drops in and does whatever needs to get done. It is not that I have a direct set of folks who are reporting to me. When the client needs that, they hire a traditional consulting firm and they bring with the army. I'm the SEAL team.
Okay, thank you. Okay.